And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 271. Let me show you the text behind object effect. I'm going to talk about a specific detail, which is the stroke, which can cause issues. First up, we'll import an image, press Ctrl T, then resize it. Use the move tool to reposition it. And once you've got what you want, let me rename that. This is our IMG. Now we need the text, so activate the type tool to use the shortkey for it. Let me just call it New York. And you can pick any font that's inbuilt, any style, any size. It's going to work with all of them. I use Arial Black, you should have that too. Let me find a good size, and then I press Ctrl A and the move tool is active. That way I can use the top menu to center it. As I've said, I want to show you the stroke effect, so we go to right click, blending options, stroke it. Black is my color. I'll make it a little bit thicker, maybe like 8 pixels. You can see that the Y letter should be behind the statue, so it should basically be invisible. To achieve that effect, we use the layer mask right here for our text layer. Just left click on it and you get this white rectangle. Make sure that you're on it. Then activate the brush, B is the shortkey for it. Make sure your foreground color is black, background color is white. And the foreground color is important here. And then adjust the size a little bit. Let me check. I go to 50 first, and we can make our letter invisible by painting over it now. But you can already see the issue, because the stroke is then adjusted by the blending option. So it strokes the new shape and not the letter Y anymore. Therefore I'm not erasing the stroke, so I'm not making that invisible with the text. And when I now make my foreground color white and I bring back parts of the letter here on the outline, you can see I also bring back the stroke here. This is going to give us very, very glitchy results, basically unusable results. So this is not the way to do it. The way to do it is to actually hold Ctrl and then left click on this T icon of my text layer. And this is going to select the outline of my text. And now I simply go to edit and stroke it, but I want to do that on a new layer. So let me create a new layer. Then I go to edit, stroke. Let me make that 5 pixels black and I put it to the outside. So location, I select outside, I confirm. And now I have this stroke on a new layer. Ctrl D to deselect or select deselect. Our layer 1 is now the outline, the stroke layer. I've got the stroke for the text element invisible. And all that we need to do now is to copy our layer mask. So the layer mask of the text layer and put it on the outline layer. And to do that, simply hold Alt and then left click drag this layer mask down to layer 1. And there you go. You can see it has erased the stroke. And we don't have this glitchy outline effect. You may have to clean up a little bit of details here. For example, here I make it black because on the statue there's a little bit of a part that I've missed. And I should make that white up here on the edge to bring back a little bit of the stroke. So I've got the brush tool active again and I go over the layer mask, not the layer itself of the stroke, my layer 1 layer. And that's it. This is how you can create this text behind an object effect in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.